road's rough. Hopefully I can go underneath this bridge. Yeah. Yeah, this place is pretty packed. Jesus Christ. Hey guys, I am in California dropping off this load. It's a Kimberly Clark load, and then afterwards I am probably gonna head to the terminal because I need to take a shower, and I have 3 more hours to drive really, but probably shut down there to see if they can give me another load. Hopefully start heading east from here, because loads are really bad in California right now. If anything, maybe they'll take me to Oregon. I can catch a load in Oregon going Salt Lake or Denver, Colorado. Alright. Both my GPSs are telling me to go 2 different ways. I'm probably gonna follow the tablet.
In 2¼ miles, take exit 36 on the right to Grove Avenue, then take the first left.
Yeah, because the tablet could be more accurate. Usually I get my information on Google and put it on there. Sometimes if the messages, they usually give us the address. Sometimes my Garmin GPS, maybe because it needs to be updated, older version, it doesn't sometimes catch the address. And I have to like pick like a second address that's close by to use it. But yeah, here in California, it's crazy. On I-15, yeah, on I-15. There we go. Yeah, on I-15, the decline coming in is insane. I'm surprised that he's probably gonna get pulled over. He doesn't have a skirt underneath his trailer, because apparently it's a big law here that you should have that in your trailer, which I guess to bring down the emissions, which I highly doubt it makes a huge difference, but they say so. This guy doing? I'm gonna make it. I am going to make it. Thank God. Alright.
In 1¾ miles, take exit 36 on the right to Grove Avenue, then take the first left.
Oh shit. God damn it. Alright. Yeah, I don't know where this GPS is taking me. Somewhat the same location. We'll see. I think this one's more right though. Kind of. I think it's a Kimberly Clark that I gotta drop it off at. Their distribution center here. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, California is really nice. It's crazy because coming into I-15, you're like you're 4,000, a little bit above 4,000 elevation, and you can see the clouds. It was clear, and then you can kind of see the clouds. And then when a decline comes, you kind of go into the clouds and underneath them and start going down to 2,000 or probably around 1,300 elevation, maybe 1,000. I gotta get on the right lane. California is just different. It's the best way to put it. I don't know. Just the houses look different. Vegetation looks different. I've never really stopped here because me and my mentor were kind of in and out. We were doing team driving, so we came in and we were out. Like, that's it. Like, it was like me and him switched, and I drove all the way to Phoenix, Arizona from here. All right, let's see. But yeah, I came from Salt Lake City from yesterday. I picked up this load after my vacay, and good drive here. Woke up around 2:30, left around 3 o'clock. It just hauled all the way over here. It was a total of 11 hours. I think it's like 750 miles I get for this load, which is pretty nice. I'm happy for that. All right, what am I gonna do here? Should I follow this or go follow that? It's a Kimberly Clark. It's a warehouse. Hopefully there's a sign or it pops up somewhere. What are we doing, buddy? Jesus Christ. Almost cost me a driver score. If you like stomp the brake really hard and do a sudden stop, it records, and it tells Swift, and then my driver leader tells me what I did wrong, or they'll say, oh, you got something on your drive safety.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right on Edison Avenue.
I don't know what to do. Behind me? No. It's got to be one of these over here. Probably that one right there.
Turn right at the traffic light.
Let's follow this GPS. This one. Jesus Christ. Go on. Yeah, I'm gonna follow this one, see what this one says. It's gonna tell me to turn on that street. Yeah. That one's probably more accurate. Because this is just telling me to go on the street. Merrill Avenue.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right on Merrill Avenue.
Yeah, well, hopefully everybody's doing really well. It is May. My goal is to at least get home Memorial Weekend. That's 3 weeks about. So I gotta get loads heading over there to the East Coast. And that's gonna be an adventure in itself, that's for sure. Because that's a long way, and loads are still are thin. Not kind of, they are thin. But I've been lucky so far. We'll see. California is gonna be a hard one. Hopefully after this one, I'm gonna talk to the planner and say, hey, I need to start heading east. Hopefully you guys can give me a load. Maybe, I don't know, Phoenix, maybe some pickup from Oregon, Salt Lake City, going there, or Denver, load going to Denver, whatever. I'll take anything that gets out of California, I'll take it.
Avenue.
Go 2 miles. God damn it. Alright. I am pretty much on my own trying to find this place now. But yeah, this morning when I was driving, I was on I-15 going into Vegas, and because I-15 goes through Utah, Arizona for a little bit, and then into Nevada. And I was driving through the cliffs and stuff, and freaking, I don't know, 4 in the morning. Alright, Kimberly Clark entrance, there we go. Alright, on Hellman Avenue. Is this Hellman? I think it is. But yeah, so there's an actual like rock that fell, I guess, on the shoulder and freaking shattered all over the road, and it made me jump. I was like, oh my god. Because I was worried about the rock could be a sharp rock and freaking pop my steer tire or one of my back tires. All right, where's this place? I didn't see any signs. Wait a minute. Where the hell is? No. Okay. That can't be it. There's got to be a gate. It said this way. See, it just doesn't really help you sometimes. Oh my god, I could have used Google Maps. I think it's the one on the right. I think it's this building to the right. Because it wouldn't make sense to the left. I think it's this one. The entrance has got to be up here. Or it could be that building.
Arriving at 9279 Eucalyptus Avenue on the right.
I'm trying to look for a sign. There we go, I see a sign. Alright guys, well, I will be back with you guys. I'm going to check in. Yeah, that's it. Alright, what the hell am I gonna do? Okay, cool. Alright, I'll be back. So I completed this load and I am going to head to the terminal. I probably got to give this to the security guy. But yeah, so I am going to head to the terminal, which I already put in my GPS and I already connected the trailer. But yeah, I'll show you guys what the other terminal looks like in Ontario, California, which is literally only 12 minutes away. I gotta see where the entrance is. Google Maps is your friend if you're gonna become a truck driver, because at least you can like see where to go, especially like when you deliver in outlets or like plazas. But yeah, so it's entrance is right there. It's not that hard. Winesville Road. I think we were just on there. No, we weren't. But yeah, the place looks pretty decent size. Hopefully maybe they have a little gym there, can work out. But yeah, see if they give me another load, which I haven't received anything. I'm gonna call my driver leader just to double check with her, because technically I wasn't supposed to take this load, guys. I was supposed to let her know before I did that. Yeah, but I screwed up. So now it's gonna make it even a little more difficult to head east, but I still got about 3 weeks or so to try to get to the East Coast. I'm gonna hustle to get all the way over there till I get to Arkansas. Then they can probably switch me to the eastern region if I get there a little early, just to hop up and down there. But yeah, all right guys, I'll see you guys at the terminal. Almost at the terminal. It's a gloomy type of day here in San Bernardino, or Ontario, California, which is next to pretty much LA. This is where I want to come in August, hang in this terminal, get a rental car, and go to Huntington Beach, which is probably like 20 miles away, maybe about that, and go surfing. Just hire a professional surfer to teach me pretty much how to ride the waves. Because I did try to do a little bit of surfing when I went to UF with the surf club, and I wasn't very good, and the board that I was using was kind of short, a little bit harder to learn on, so me trying to stand up on it was very difficult. But it is amazing how the wave actually pushes you on the board. All I need is just that balance. But like I said, the board was it was a shorter board. You need those longer boards so you can get more balance and actually stand up on it. And that's probably what they're gonna practice me on, or put me on, probably in the beginning. But yeah, for like 150 bucks, like 2 hours for a private surfer instructor, it's not bad. I should be getting close here in like 2 minutes. Colony High School. Yeah, it's been a pretty good adventure getting all the way over here. I stopped by this one place, which is in the border between Nevada and California, and they had a casino right next to the Flying J called Whiskey Pete's. I was getting coffee at Flying J, and I was just like, you know what, let me just check this place out. It looked really abandoned, so but yeah, like I said, it looked really abandoned. Slow bring your thing. There was like no cars on in the parking lot or anything. Like, didn't seem like much business was coming in there. Only thing that was really kind of going for it, I guess, would be the truckers that park next to the casino, which is right next to the Flying J. And so I got my coffee, I walked in there, walked through the casino for a little bit. That place was dead. They probably have like, this casino's big too. I'll put a picture up. Alright, it was a hotel casino, it's decent size. There's probably like maybe 10 employees, maybe. Like, I don't know, I only saw one person, he was cleaning. And I'm like, man, this place is like really abandoned. Pretty much dead. Alright. That guy's not wearing a shirt in his truck. But yeah, it was a ghost town. I kind of just left. I was like, man, probably back in like the 70s and 80s, that place was popping. But today, like, not really. Ain't doing too good. And there's a casino across from the highway there, and it also wasn't much people. So, not much traffic goes through there. And today, people gamble online. You can pretty much do everything online today. So I'm pretty sure that food truck is so good. I'm pretty sure Mexican food is really good here. I do watch this one YouTuber, which I'll put his link on top for his channel, but I watch him, and he does loads in California. I think San Bernardino is one of the places he does it too. And he's always like going to the food trucks and stuff like that. Whenever I used to watch him, I don't watch him as much as I used to, but he has a pretty cool channel. You guys should check him out. It's kind of how I in a way, got into trucking. Is watching his channel, and then Trucking with Dave's another one I watch. He was probably the very first person I started watching in regards to trucking, and kind of motivated me to get into it, which I'm already pushing 9 months into it. Well, 8 months, going into 9 months. And I have no complaints. Money hasn't been so bad since my expenses are so little, so I could put a lot of money away or put it in stocks, which I did put it. God damn, freaking road's rough. Hopefully I can go underneath this bridge. Yeah, Jesus Christ. Terminal should be right on the other side of this highway. Let's see. Alright, is there a stop sign? There's a stop sign. But here they
Arriving at 3575 Whitefield Road on the left.
Dang, is there really no parking in there? There's foot truckers parking out here. There's a couple of them. So I'm probably gonna run inside, see if I can talk to a planner. This terminal seems pretty big. Alright, it's not this turn, but there's the next one coming up. Hopefully I can find a place to park. This is it right here though. It looks nice. Let's see. Yeah, this place is pretty packed. Jesus Christ. Hopefully I can find a place to put this trailer. showing empties. So I'm just gonna put it there, I guess. I guess I'll just drop it. I'm pretty sure I can find another empty bobtail around here because there's freaking no space at all for anything around here. Let's see if we can get it in here. Bum, bum, bum. There we go. Well guys, that was very interesting. I got into the gate. Usually it's like you swipe your card and the gate will open, but this is the first terminal that they actually have physical like security people. And so I stopped and the guy's like, he said something. I turned off the engine because I couldn't hear him. And then he's like, "Are you empty or loaded?" I'm like, "Empty." He's like, it's just like waves me in. I'm like, all right. So then you come in, if you do work for Swift and you come to Ontario, California, they have all these signs that tell you to go to where to take your empty if you have an empty. And so I follow the signs and stuff, and this terminal is actually pretty neat, but they have a lot of like trailers here. So the yard jockey is like writing all my information down, like writing the freaking truck number down and the trailer number down. And I'm like, I rolled down the window and I'm like, "Hey, what do you want me to put the trailer in a specific area?" He's like, no, just drop it right there. And he yeah, and they like swept the whole trailer out. He had like a garbage can that rolled around, swept the whole trailer out, and like took the trailer and parked it, because I guess just to manage space around here, because there's really no space. I'm kind of worried about just like leaving this little area and go get some food. I didn't defrost my my chicken, sadly. I could still do it. I don't have to pick up the load until, let's see, tomorrow. Let me see what time. Let's see, tomorrow at 11 o'clock. So that's great. Pick it up at 11 o'clock. So I get to sleep tonight because I did wake up really early. I woke up around 2:30, left around 3 o'clock. But yeah, I guess we'll be heading back to Salt Lake City. We'll pick up the load tomorrow, guys, and then we'll head to Salt Lake City. I will show a little bit of Vegas, driving through I-15 if you haven't seen that before. And yeah, probably just show you the Nevada part. Probably the canyons too, where that rock fell on the highway. But I'm gonna be going the opposite way of that. But yeah, I will keep you guys posted. So I'm gonna check out this terminal and figure out, I'm probably just gonna relax for the rest of the day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. All right, I am in Proctor and Gamble, and I'm gonna wait for this person to go. But yeah, you can see all the mountains to the back over there. Told me to put the tandems back, so hopefully I gotta go to 264 to drop this trailer. I think it's up here somewhere. Let's see. 264. I think it's up there somewhere. I think. Has to be. Has to be. But yeah, it's definitely a nice day here. trailer. Hopefully I'm in the right place. Yeah, I am. Alright, we're good. I think we're good, guys. Yeah, but they have a lot of farms over. Like, the more south you go, Los Angeles, there's a lot of farming. You see all the Hispanics picking all the fruits off of the, I guess, the plants. Stereotypical. 264. 264. Calling me, but I am going to call him back. 264. I'm gonna have to make a U-turn over here. 264. There it is. All right, let me just turn around. Well guys, I picked up the load and I am heading to Salt Lake City. I gotta move my tandems though. Let's see. I did it right over here. Come on, go. But yeah, it looks like they're growing lemons. Alright, let me let me do my tandems real fast because it's kind of annoying when they're back here like this. I already pulled the lever. Too fast though. I think it's on there now. Alright, cool that. Awesome. Today is just amazing. The weather's great. Sun's out. Can't ask for a better day. Alright. Let me just make sure it's in there though. I think we're good now. Like I said, this load isn't too big. Come on, buddy. I mean, not too big, but I mean, not too heavy. Good. But yeah, I've been making some decent money with this OTR position. Hopefully I can ask for it again after my home time in Memorial Weekend, which are starting to head me back east, which is nice. Most likely when I get to Salt Lake City, they're gonna give me a load, most likely from Wyoming, baking soda, heading east to one of those states, probably Pennsylvania, Tennessee. So, all right guys, let me weigh myself because I have a scale right here and then get the billing lady. Hey guys, I am in LA, just trying to get out of here. Traffic is kind of crazy. It is like 3:30 right now, and this traffic is getting worse. Rush hour's coming up. I need to really get out of here. I have 45 miles until I start heading the other way, get away from all this madness. But yeah, I just took should have followed the route on my tablet. Went with this. The Garmin doesn't really keep real-time traffic updates and try to reroute you around it. The tablet does. So that's probably one good benefit about that tablet, even though sometimes it'll take you to some weird places. Overall, the tablet at least tells you there's traffic up ahead, and it will find you a faster route around that traffic jam. But I did not listen to it, sadly, so here I am in traffic, going slow. But one thing I noticed about LA, or California in general, like, everybody cuts you off. Even the police officer cut me off, which, whatever. But maybe that's why there's not so many trucks around on this road. Just me.